Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we'll be going to talk about how we can able to basically edit our registry so that we can disable the virtualization based security in Windows 11. Okay, so most of the time what happens basically is like we unable to find out what is the process of disabling the virtualization based security on a Windows 11 system. Okay, so most of the time it is not possible. We have to do what we have to open our Windows virtualization, then we have to download and install our Windows 11 Pro version, and then only it works. But this is not the case, right? So we have an option that can be used, and with that help of that we can able to install and run our systems properly. Okay, so today what we will be going to see is like what I'll just show you how we can able to disable the virtualization based security without installing any other software or any changes, just doing a simple small changes on our registry and it will be working. Okay, so first of all let's search for registry. Okay, so by default I have already opened my registry. Here you can able to see, after opening the registry, you have to navigate from your computer to the H key local machine, then system, and then you'll go to the current controller set. Under that, you will find something called control. In control, you'll see device guard. So just let me show you how I'll find out. So this is the device guard. Okay. So if you want, I'll just copy and paste it on the device on the video description, and you'll be able to see that. If you just click on this device guard, you'll able to see there are four different things. Okay, four different registry values. This is the registry value which I have created. Okay, and I'll just paste it on the description of the video as well. So what you have to do is basically you have to create this particular registry value, and it should be of same case. The case should also match. It is because it's a case sensitive, so you have to type enable virtualization based security. After enabling that, it is a 32-bit registry key. So if you just type right click, then new, and then you'll type dword 32-bit. Just click here and then you'll type the same thing. Okay, so now I've already created, so no need. I'll just delete it. After creating it, you just double click on it, and then you can see this hexadecimal value, and you have to make it as 0. Once you are done with that, then what you will do, you have to reboot your system. While you are rebooting your system, well, reboot will complete, right? Then the system will be asking to press F3 to disable virtualization based security 2 times once you are rebooting it. So you have to do it that. Once you are done, then you will be able to see your virtualization based security is being disabled, and then with the help of that, now I'll show you how basically it works. So when you are working on this virtual machines, right, mostly if you're working on virtual machines and you're installing any kind of virtual machines, like now in my case I have installed my EVNG. So an EVNG is currently running in my case. Okay, if you just double click on that, so this one is my EVNG and is running. It's currently working on it. If you can see, I have already logged into the system and I'm working on it. Okay, so it will not work until and unless you have disabled the virtualization based security. That is compulsory. Okay, and with that, the help of that, you can able to do it. Okay, hope you like this video, and thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.